Hi, my name is Mark,
And I'm Christina.
and welcome to our home. I actually watched the live show, the live intro, even though it's in Chinese. For some reason, I have this feeling that I'm going to one. And I was telling my wife, I'm really excited. I actually want to watch that show. So I actually waited for that day. I just watched it, and then even though it's in Chinese, I said it's okay. I just need to hear my name. His name is Henry. He's from Areana creation, and I should say I'm very, very satisfied with his work. He's very professional. Everything was smooth. He's very accommodating. He's very understanding. Because of the space constraint, we actually want our house to be very simple. So we chose the minimalist. We discussed it with our ID, and we told him that we want a minimalist theme. So we chose natural colors also. Yeah, we should say it's a living room because we love watching movies, and kids also loves to watch movies. So most of the time we spend our time together here in the living room. Bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.